Hello and welcome. Let's work through question 13 together. We have 3 points, A, B and C, that all lie on one straight line. We need to find the ratio in which B divides the line from A to C. Here's the key idea. Since B lies on the line, the step from A to B is just a fraction of the whole step from A to C. So let's find both of those vectors and compare them. First, vector A, B. That's B minus A. 4 minus negative 4 is 8, and 1 minus 7 is negative 6. So AB is the vector 8, negative 6. Now vector AC. That's C minus A. 16 minus negative 4 is 20, and negative 8 minus 7 is negative 15. So AC is the vector 20, negative 15. Now compare the two vectors component by component. 8 over 20 simplifies to 2/5, and negative 6 over negative 15 also simplifies to 2/5. They match, which confirms the points really are in a line. So vector AB is exactly 2/5 of vector AC. In other words, B sits 2/5 of the way along from A to C. If AB is 2/5 of the whole, then AB takes up 2 parts out of 5. That leaves 3 parts for the rest of the journey, from B to C. So the ratio of AB to BC is 2:3. So our answer is that B divides AC in the ratio 2:3. Well done. That's question 13 complete.